This is Ingenious Giacomo. Welcome back to my channel. So anyway, today I'm working on a big carrier unit. It's humongous. It's a dual compressor roof top mount, and it wasn't working at all. So when I came in, first thing I noticed, the transformer was stripped. You know, this transformer here, my 24-volt transformer, luckily as a breaker, it was stripped. Once I reset it, start humming, so I turn off the power and look for the cause. It just kicked on, by the way, and look for the cause of the issue. And normally it's into the low voltage side, so I got to go through, follow all the wires, but most of the time is where the wire is rubbing, and I found it to be rubbing right here. I'm sorry about the noise now, but the compressor, as you can see there, those marks next to the pressure sensor, those two little white spots, they were the wires. With time they were rubbing and they create the problem. So pretty much that was it. Took me a little time because I follow all the wires, but most of the time is where there is vibration, and most of the time is by those pressure sensor switches, because they don't really anchor those wires, they dangling there, and with the variation hot cold, plastic get brittle, and with time it will normally cause that problem to happen. So now the unit is working fine. It was a quick fix. There was actually voltage going to the unit, there was voltage technically going to the transformer. Thank God for the little switch on it, the safety. There is two transformers actually, he has two of them. Anyway, it tripped, and it's good not to turn it back on if you hear a very strong loud humming noise until you find out where the problem is. In this case, like I said, it was pretty easy. I took some pictures also. My problem was right there, those wires touching right when you see the white marks. That was it. Easy fix, working fine now. Everybody's happy. Thank you again for watching my channel. Sometimes I tell you how easy it is to have a small problem on a big unit like this one, but it makes it not usable. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel. Bye.